Hello, welcome everyone to my YouTube channel Tohi Tech. In today's video, we are unboxing DJI Wireless Mic 2. DJI Wireless Mic 2 is upgraded version of DJI Wireless Mic 1. This is released in January 17, 2024. I bought this one from Amazon. Price for this one is £309. Similar to the DJI website, you can order over there as well. So without further ado, let's open up the outer package. So I have a knife with me and let's open up this one. So this is well packed in there. So this is DJI Wireless Mic 2. So as you can see, DJI Wireless Mic 2 have some different upgraded design as well. You can see through the internals of microphones, and this is a new battery charging case and also new design of the receiver as well. The receiver have 1.1 inch OLED touchscreen paired with a precision dial, provided swift access to the virtual information like volume and the battery level, offering precision adjustment to the parameter like gain, volume and brightness. Case. So let's see on the back. First of all, this is all in one, ready to use, and this one record high quality audio. With the charging case, you will get up to 18-hour battery. This microphone have intelligence noise cancellation, crystal clear vocals, 14-hour internal recording, and the mic can be connected with the receiver more than up to 250-meter range. Inside this box, there's one receiver, two transmitter, which is a black color, one carrying case, one charging case, two magnet, mobile phone adapter, which is a type C, mobile phone adapter, which is lightning. So there's a two different adapter in there, two windscreen, one camera audio cable 3.5 mm, TRS, USB-C charging cable, and some documentation. So I'm going to use a knife again and going to open up the cellophane. So we'll open up from here. So we open up from here. It's a beautiful package. So as you can see, this is a carrying bag. So this is the bag. There's one silica gel in there and some paperwork. So we have a few DJI stickers as well we can use on different devices, and there's a quick guide for DJI Mic 2, and there's some informations and instructions, as you can see on just like on the picture. And it shows all the connector and how to use all the information on this quick guide. And there's a safety guide and another booklet. So it's quite nice bag with another wee booklet attached to this one. I'll take this one out as well with a knife. And now we are going to open up the DJI Wireless Mic 2. So inside the bag, another silica gel, and we have wind muffin, which we are going to open. So this is a muffin one you can attach to the microphone, and there's another one. So there's another one. So there's a two wind muffin here to use with the microphone, and we also have USB-C to USB charging cable. So USB-C to normal USB 3.0, and we also have one 3.5 mm jack to 3.5 mm jack to connect your camera with the with the receiver. And we also have a new upgraded design of DJI wireless mic charging case. So this one have a new texture on this one, also says press to unlock. So this one have a VB tape on this one, and on the bottom there's some information numbers in there, and there's a rubber feet on the both side, and we have the USB-C charging on the back, and says press this. So this one is pressed just like that and then open up. So here you go, you can see the new DJI wireless mic 2. There's a two mic attached with a magnet as well. This is mic 1 and this is mic 2. So there's two mic, and you can also see through the internals of the microphones component inside, and both have a crystal clear glass on both on the front side. And as you can see on the both one side, you can able to pair two of them together. There's a power button in there, there's a LED indicator light on the side, and on the top there's a microphone input, and there's a 3.5 mm jack input as well. You can attach separate wire microphone with this one, and then that can be transfer your signal, audio signal, to the receiver. On the other side both have USB-C charging, because this one also have internal batteries. You can charge them separately as well without the charging case. And at the bottom there's a connector to charge inside the box. And also there's on this side there is a indicator light. If you're using a recording inside the microphone, so that will blink up as well. So let's put this one on the side and have a look to the receiver. So this receiver is also a brand new design. On the one side, this one is output 3.5 mm and input 3.5 mm, and this one is OLED touchscreen 1.1 inch, and this one have a dial to this one. As you can see, this is quite strong dial, and I can see the vibration and the haptic in there. So you can use the touchscreen as well, and you can choose the language. You can use that one as well, and this one also have a clickiness to this one. And on one side there's a power button, on the back there's a USB input for charging the receiver as well. You can charge the receiver separately without the charging case, and there's a connector on the back. If you have the box, you can use the box to charge. So let's have a look to the connector as well. So you can connect this connector back of the receiver. Just here you can slide this one off, as you can see, easily slide it out, and you can use a USB-C connector in there, and you can use this USB-C connector receiver connecting with your any phones, and you can connect with iPhone 15 series and 16 series have a USB-C connector in there. But these receiver is quite upgraded and have a new hardware inside. You can connect the DJI wireless mic 2 directly with the iPhone or Android phone. You do not need any connector and connecting the receiver to the phone. So this one can handle everything in there. So you can see the arrow button in there. You can use the dialer button to scroll down to the different language as well. So I will press that, and now you can see there's a next screen coming up. You can use, so now it's come up to this screen with two receivers, which is already out of the box and is connected with this one, and that shows mono on the top corner, and the receiver 1 and 2 signal in there, and both of them, they shows the battery level in there as well. So my gloves is not working with the touch screen, so as you can see is working without the gloves. So as you can see, if you swipe down receiver setting, you see the mono. Now is a mono left and right. If you scroll down onto that one, you can select the safety track as well. That will record inside the microphone, and there's a stereo. You can record stereo with the one mic or with the both mic, or you can use the left and right as well on that one. So I mostly use the stereo in there. So go to the next one, says camera setting. So well, if you connect this one with the camera, that will show the setting in here. I have a Sony Alpha R4 camera. I will connect that one in the review video, and I will show you the full guide as well in there. So in the gain setting, as you can see, this is plus 12 dB, and you can lower and up as well with the touch screen and the dialer as well. So this is quite handy feature. I love this one. This is quite handy if you are wearing a gloves, or for example in the bad weather, in the cold, you keep wearing the gloves which is not working with the touch screen. As I wear earlier on, it was not working properly, so you can use the dial to adjust everything in there. So, and this is a volume in here. You can up and down the volume while you are listening to your audio. And camera on off in there. This is a receiver auto on off. So this one is on now. Let's go to the next setting, transmitter setting. You can use some of the more professional setting in there. This is says low cut, and then this is next option is transmitter gain. So you can use the both transmitter different adjustment same time, which is quite handy feature. And then go back, go to the next one, says 32-bit float recording, which can be recorded inside the device, and then you can connect USB-C and transfer this audio files to your PC or MacBook easily. And then next one is noise cancellation via button, so you can adjust that one on and off. This is already by default is on. And next option is auto recording. So auto recording, when this one is connected with the connector with your DSLR, so if that option on, they will record automatically in there. So this one is a option for the storage. So both have 15 hours recording in there. We haven't recorded anything in there yet, so you can record internally 15-hour recording in there, and then later on you can take these audio file connected with USB-C to your laptop, and you can synchronize with your video. So guys, I'm also going to show you to put on the wind muffin on the microphone. As you can see, there's a hole for the microphone inside, and this connector is clicking into the 3.5 mm jack, as you can see in here. So as you can hear the clicking noise, so this is attached to that one, and it's quite solid, it will not move. And this is quite solid in there, you can see, and it's quite soft and very high quality texture in there. So guys, thank you very much for watching my unboxing video of DJI Wireless Mic 2. I hope you like my video. If you like the video, please leave a like and leave your comments in the comment section. I will be making DJI Wireless Mic 2 review video soon, and I will show you step by step how you connecting with the DSLR camera and with the other devices as well. So stay tuned to my channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, to Heat Tech, and I will see you in next unboxing and review video. Thank you very much for watching.